You dudes, the postings here, and today we're gonna unbox these Yu-Gi-Oh Structure Deck, Powercode Link, and Starter Deck Codebreaker. Now, before we get into it, I want to apologize for not uploading for a month. You guys know I'm super busy with real life, and I'm busy making my late birthday special. And after the birthday special, I have to upload that other crossover video and the second episode of Go Anime Access, my series, by the way. And yeah, sorry if I haven't uploaded for a month. You guys, that's the reason. But yeah, with all that in mind, let's take a look at the boxes. So my brother gave these to me, my oldest brother, and oh my goodness, don't they look amazing? My brother's the best. Look at them. Now let's take a look at Powercode Link first, which of course has Yusaku in it, also known in his Link Brains form as Playmaker. Of course we have Powercode Tucker, and that other Link monster, I'm not so sure what it's called. And here at the sides, the logo in the other side. And over here, the Yu-Gi-Oh logo. And on the back, here we have the monsters that include in this box, as well as the playmat. And here we have the link to Cyber's power, which is amazing. And of course we have Codebreaker, which is a starter deck, so you can start playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Link monsters in Yu-Gi-Oh! Of course, once again we have Yusaku / Playmaker in it, as well as Transcode Tucker. Over here in the back, the logo, and the Yu-Gi-Oh! Logo on the top. On the back, it says, "Decode their strategy," as well as the cards that include in it, and the playmat, as well as the cards that are included in this box. And yeah, there's nothing much else to do other than unbox these, starting with Powercode Link, which we are gonna unbox right now. And there it is, guys, the mighty Powercode Tucker himself. Of course, we have here the paper, which is the beginner's guide, as well as in the other side it has the playmat, which is the field under it, but we're not gonna look at that right now. So let's get on to the deck. And starting us off, we have the mighty Link monster himself, which is my favorite Link Code Tucker, and that is Powercode Tucker, which is a Link 3, and it's a fire attribute Cyber's type monster and a Link monster, and look how amazing it looks. You guys don't know, this is my favorite Code Tucker. Just look how amazing it is. It's red. You guys know my favorite color is red. And over here we have its effects. You can pause it if you want to read it. There you go. And yeah, there's the amazing Powercode Tucker, the mighty Powercode Tucker. Whoa. We have Segmental Dragon, Sea Archiver. Whoa. Flame Buffalo, Lady Debug, Datacorn, whoa, Garbage Collector, whoa, Anti-Alien, Storm Cipher, Cyber's Gadget, Jergato, Mega Phantom Beast, Tetherwolf, whoa, 2 copies of Reborn Tengu, Skull Maester, whoa, Goblinberg, Phantom Skyblazer, Gen X Alias Birdman, Effect Bueller, one of Yusei's cards, Magical Merchant, sorry, Cosmic Compass, one of Yusei's cards, Launcher Commander. Now we onto the spell cards. We have Signet Storm, Storm Access, Whoa, Night Beam, Offerings to the Doomed, Forbidden Chalice, Scapegoat, one of Joey's cards, Swords of Revealing Light. Your opponent cannot attack for 3 turns. Reasoning, Fires of Doomsday, 1 for 1. Easy to summon a level 1 monster. Terraforming. And onto the trap cards, we have Packet Link, Wild Tornado, whoa, Trap Tricks, Trap Hole Nightmare, Blazing Mirror Force, whoa, Trap Stun to shut down all trap cards for the turn, Safe Zone, Call of the Haunted, Reckless Greed, Debunk, and that's for the deck. Now onto the extra deck, which is Traffic Ghost, and finally Land Foreignkus, whatever that is, and a card for Yu-Gi-Oh Duel Links with Item and Jaden, and that's it. That's for the deck of Powercode Link. Now let's take a look at Codebreaker, structure deck Codebreaker, that is, which is right here. Let's get it out. Dude, look at this. And of course you get your beginner's guide on Codebreaker and your playmat, which is the field, but we're not gonna look at it for now. Now let's get on to the deck. And starting us off, we have Cyber's White Wizard and the star himself, Transcode Tucker, which is an Earth-Link monster. That's a Cyber type, and it's a Link 3, and there it is. Amazing as ever. And here are its effects. You can pause it if you want to read it. There you go. And here we have Transcode Tucker, Widget Kit, Signet Recovery, Pentis Tang, Leotron, Text Changer, Bitrin, Ram Clouder, Link Slayer, whoa, Backup Secretary, Launcher Commander, again, Client, Big Trooper, whoa, Flambeau Guard, whoa, Beast King Barbaros, Cyber Dragon, one of Zane's cards, whoa, Ixion Universe, Evil Swamp, Mandragora, I don't know how to pronounce it, Marshmallow, one of Yugi's cards. Oh, the Lightsworn, one of the Lightsworns, and it's Real Lightsworn Hunter. Rico, sorry. Battle Fader, to stop the battle phase. Swift Scarecrow. And now for the spell cards we have. Whoa, come on. There we go. Signet Universe, Scapegoat, Monster Reborn, the all classic itself, Trap Hole, not what Trap Hole, Dark Hole. What am I saying? Dark Hole. Mystical Space Typhoon to break a spell or trap on the field. Book of Moon to set a monster face down. United We Stand, an all classic equip card. Card Trader. Burden of the Mighty. Ego Boost. Supply Squad. And now for the traps. We have Cyanide Regression, Shadow Spell, Mystical Space Typhoon. Whoa, come on, focus. There we go. Mirror Force, Torrential Tribute, Bottomless Trap Hole, Zero Gravity. Whoa. Compulsory Evacuation Device to bounce a monster back onto the hand. And that's it. Now onto the extra deck. We have one of Playmaker's Ace Monsters, Decode Tugger, Link Spider, and Link Karibo. Ice Partner. Amazing. Link Karibo. And that's it. There's no promotional card for Duel Links, just the deck, which is amazing. Guys, forget what I just said about this. The beginner's guide it's not on here, just the recommendations. It's under the Powercode link box. The Powercode link guide is in the box. It must have been stuck. But there's the beginner's guide, if you're wondering. But yeah, dudes, that's gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Do I recommend getting these decks? Sure, if you can. It's a great way to start off link summoning. If you want to start link summoning, these decks will help you out. These cards could be really helpful if you are starting off with link summoning. I highly recommend getting Codebreaker first, because it has just enough cards you need to start link summoning, and then Powercode link after. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the post notifications to not miss the next video, and make sure to never give up and cut to being good. Hooray! So, nothing much else to say. This is the Pause Things. Sign out. Time to link into the brains.